Hello and welcome. You have imported goods. The goods are lying with customs and you're waiting for customs clearance. But you're not getting timely updates from your customs house agent, CHA. Let's say you're not sure if the bill of entry is filed within the time limit. This is crucial because if you don't file bill of entry within 24 hours of arrival of the shipment, then you would be required to pay hefty fine. That is 5,000 rupees per day for initial few days. After that, it would be 10,000 rupees per day. I'm sure nobody wants to pay this. Or let's say you're not sure if the goods are cleared out of customs charge after you have paid customs duty. Or let's say you have received goods after customs clearance, but you're not sure if the details of the transaction is shared with the GST department to help you avail input tax credit of the IGST that you have paid. So in today's video, let's clear up these uncertainties. That is, let's understand how you can track online the status of all these transactions if you have bill of entry number and date of filing of bill of entry. First, let's track bill of entry on the ICEGATE portal. That is, let's track the status of customs clearance of the goods that you have imported, starting from filing of bill of entry to the release of out of customs charge order. Then let's track bill of entry transmission status. That is, let's check if the details of the transaction are shared by the customs department to the GST network. After that, let's use search BOE functionality on the GST portal to find the details of the transaction so shared by the customs department. This is important because only if the transaction appears on the GST portal, you would be able to avail seamless input tax credit. So let's begin. Navigate to the ICEGATE portal. The link is in the description. Select location. This is the port code, that is name of the port, airport or customs station. Here I have selected Bangalore ACC INBLR4. Enter bill of entry number, enter bill of entry date, enter CAPTCHA and submit. You would be navigated to this screen. To view the details of the bill of entry, click BE details. Here you can see your import-export code, total value of the shipment, total assessable value, that is the value on which you are required to pay customs duty, total customs duty and so on. Click current status to check the status of the bill of entry. Here you can see date of appraisement, assessment date, date when payment of customs duty is made. If any examination is ordered, then date of examination, here it is not applicable. Then date of out of customs charge order and so on. Click payment details to check the details of the customs duty that you have paid. Here you can see the duty amount payable, fine, interest, penalty as applicable, customs duty paid, also mode of payment, that is e-payment. Let's now move to the second part. Navigate to the ICEGATE portal. The link is in the description. Enter bill of entry number, bill of entry date, select port code, enter CAPTCHA, submit. This is the date on which the details of the transaction are shared with GSTN, and this is the date on which the details are picked up by GSTN. That is the date when the transaction is updated on the GST portal. Now the last part. Navigate to the GST portal, log into your account, click Services, User Services, search BOE, enter port code, bill of entry number, bill of entry date and reference date. Reference date is the date of out of customs charge order or date of payment or date of amendment, whichever is earlier. Click search. The details of the transaction would be displayed and this is your input tax credit, that is the IGST that you have paid. If you observe here, it would normally take 5 days from reference date for the details of the transaction to be updated on the GST portal. And here you can view details of transactions related to bill of entry on or after 12th July 2020 onwards. But if the transaction is prior to this date, then this functionality is not useful. To view past transactions, click History of ICEGATE. This would display the list of your past transactions. This is all I have for you today. Hope the video was informative. Thank you for watching.